Hey there, it's T with another T's Teaching Tidbit. Today we're going to talk about finding the percent of a number. I know, you've not heard that phrase since probably middle school. But today I'm going to break it down so that it's super easy for you to help your child find that exact answer, finding the percent of a number. It's actually really quite easy. So we're going to get started with some things that I've already put into play in some other videos, and one is using sheet protectors and a dry erase marker. Okay, you're going to take a piece of paper. I put the phrase finding the percent of a number and a blank here of blank equals, so that when we roll our dice, which is another tip I've given in the past about how to choose some random problems for practice with you and your child that doesn't require a worksheet. Here you go. So we're going to use some dice. We're going to use a piece of blank paper. We're going to write down finding the percent of a number and how it would be set up into a sheet protector so that you can use a dry erase marker, roll the die, and create your problems. So we're going to do two problems here to show you exactly how quickly and easily you can help your child with finding the percent of a number. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is we're going to do 2/3, and we're going to pretend that we rolled the dice. We came up with 2/3. So the first number we rolled was a 2, and the second number we rolled was a 3. Now, in the event that your child rolls the numbers and they roll a 2 and then they roll a 3, you want to make sure, or they roll a 3 first and then a 2, you're always going to want to make sure, especially in the elementary earlier years, you set that fraction up with the smaller number on top. We don't want to find the percent of a number that's improper. And improper means larger number for the numerator, smaller number for the denominator. So here we go. We have our fraction, 2/3 of 12. Now you're like, oh gosh, how do I explain that? Easy peasy, honest to goodness. I teach kids in the elementary grades that of in mathematics means multiplication. So really this means 2/3 of 12. Well, right now we don't know 2/3 of 12, so we're going to put a question mark. And here we go, 2/3 of 12. So I have my second sheet of paper that helps us figure this out, find the percent of a number, again, on a piece of copy paper. We put it under a sheet protector so you can do this multiple times with your child at the kitchen table. No worksheets, no worksheets, no worksheets. Okay? That's the name of the game. I don't want you to have to print everything out. These are easy things that you have at home and you can reuse them over and over and over again for a variety of things. Okay, so let's go back to 2/3 of 12. So now of means multiplication. So we're going to write out 2/3 here. 2/3. Of means multiplication. So 2/3 of 12. Well, when we write 12 as a fraction, 12 really is 12 ones because 12 divided by 1 is 12. So any whole number written as a fraction is 12 over 1. So when we do the multiplying, we multiply across. So we were going to multiply 2 times 12 is 24. And 3 times 1 is 3. So we have 24/3. Now, this, in fact, is an improper fraction, and we don't leave it that way. We want to put it in its simplest form. Well, this is a problem that we can do very easily because 24 divided by 3 is 8. So 2/3 of 12 is 8. Okay? And the way we explain this to kids is 2/3 of 12 cupcakes, 2/3 of a bag of 12 apples, 2/3 off the regular retail price would be 8. And that's how we explain it in real terms. Okay? I hope you found this tip helpful. Again, sheet protector, dry erase marker, and some foam dice from the dollar store can help you very easily help your child practice this concept. And again, don't forget the magic word of. Of means multiply. So 2/3 of 12 is 8. Now you have the secret. Help your child and let me know what you think. Click subscribe to this channel. Click the video if you like it. and give me your feedback and comments of if you found this tip to be helpful. Bye.